Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to remove action blocked on your Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. You are blocked from some certain actions due to you have taken those actions on a frequent basis without any break. Let me show you how to remove the action blocked. First go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the option to log out. Now tap on log out your username. After logging out, close the app and uninstall it. Now open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and download the app again. Now open the app, and if your account is connected with your Facebook account, then tap on continue as your name, or else tap on login at the bottom of the screen. Now type in your username and your password. When you log back into your profile, you will not be able to see the action removed message again. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.